Another portrait try from the same old photo. Well, I've been looking for new photos, but I'm so picky when it comes to the lighting of the photo. I like to see the, what do you call it? The Rembrandt, cheek shadow and, highlight. And, well, you hardly ever see, that kind of, lighting in, a typical snapshot from a camera. So, still trying to capture this, my favorite photo of my favorite granddaughter here. And so today going very painstakingly, taking my time and trying to only put competent strokes down. And the hair wasn't coming out very good at all, but for the most part, we were building some form somehow. And got all the features in the right place, except the nose might be a little crooked, who knows. And then tried to fix up the hair and threw in a sort of background over there. And anyway, I thought it was going kind of nicely. It was, painting defensively, like I really don't want to screw it up, so cautious and all of that. And so finally, after overworking it, I guess, decided, well, we got to call it a completed painting sometime soon. And that was about the time we decided, okay, finito. Portrait of the granddaughter in watercolor.